Welcome back to Fun Eye TV. I am JB Dean, and today we're doing Superman! One of my favorite superheroes of all time. I loved watching Superman growing up, and my favorite Superman is Christopher Reeve from the original 1978 Superman the movie. I remember the very first time I watched it. I remember the scene where Lois Lane is falling from the building, and she's hanging on for dear life, and she's hanging on to like one of the seat belts of the helicopter. So I decided to recreate that scene. So first, here's the scene I recreated from 1978 Superman with Christopher Reeve. Best Superman ever. No one can ever beat Christopher Reeve. Superman, the best Superman ever is Christopher Reeve. Here's the scene. Ah! Superman! Superman, please save me! Ah!
God, look up there. What the hell is that? God, look up there. What the hell is that?
Easy, miss. I've got you.
You've got me. Who's got you? I can't believe it. I just cannot believe it. He got her.
I got this book a couple years back, and I only paid $1 for it, so it's actually a pretty good deal. It's like a pop-up book, Superman pop-up book, as you can see. Pretty cool. And so there's actually a page in here that I was going to redo as a craft, and it basically depicts Lois Lane falling down from the helicopter, but in this book it shows a bad guy it shows a bad guy dropping explosives on the side of a building and Superman saving them. So I'll show you this real quick here, guys. In the book, there is this page that comes to where this guy is dropping off explosives off the side of the building. And as you hit this thing here, or it shouldn't say hit, but as you pull on this tab here, it kind of shows, Superman deflecting the explosives and saving the day. Again. So I decided, I'm going to redo this craft. I'm going to actually do a craft like this, but instead of explosives, Lois Lane is going to be falling from the helicopter, and just like the movie, and Superman is going to save her. So let's do the craft, guys. Let's get to it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here on YouTube. I hope you guys subscribe, because if you guys subscribe, you'll get notified of every time I do a new video, and you never know what's going to be happening here on Fun Eye TV. We do crafts, we do movie scenes, we do all kinds of things. We do some gaming crafts. We do all kinds of things on here on Fun Eye TV. It's all original content. So please subscribe to our channel, because what you see here is what you will never see anywhere else. Fun Eye TV!